Hello mga paps! Today we will look at the Honda Click 160. LED headlight, LED rin yung turn signals niya. Malakas yung ilaw niya sa gabi. And yung taillight niya, signal lights over here. LED na rin. Idle stop. So this scooter is keyless entry. Meron kang on position, seat, off position, lock position. Ito yung pindutan ng seat para magbukas. So yan yung compartment. So yan na yung helmet. Kasha isang small size na half-face helmet. Meron kang lalagyan dito. May USB charger siya. Front tires is a Federal 180 14-inch. For the rear naman, Federal din, 120 70 14 inches. Tire hugger, ito yung radiator niya. This is the dipstick. Andito yung reservoir. Side mirrors are nice and big. Brake lock. Meron siyang kill switch sa side stand.